It's another evening, guys, and it is very nice to have you here with me once again. I will not waste any more of your time. I have two amazing projects. I mean, one of them, I don't know, I haven't been this bullish for a long time. So hold on tight. I'm Lisa. This is NFT Rex. Let's go. Yeah, so the first one is this one, Senshi, and it is, of course, Ethereum NFT 5,555. Senshi is entering the metaverse. Collection by Jeko MCR and Frizzy LDN. So turn on notifications for whitelist and Discord. So Discord is currently closed, so make sure to just get notified anytime they open. And also, I mean, this is why I said I'm so bullish about it. I mean, it's not just because of the followers, but partly. So 158,000 followers, guys. So this is really, really big. And yes, I'd like to say a couple of things about Jeko. So Jeko is the founder of Senshi NFT and the Index Agency. So yeah, what is the Index Agency? Let's see. They have the Twitter as well. I did not follow them. They have 5K followers, and it is the #1 digital marketing agency for working with the highest percentage brands, influencers, and celebrities. So these guys, they can advertise. And of course, I mean, I do not need to tell you how important this is for a successful NFT project. I mean, yeah, we can see over here. Imagine this. This is the Times Square in New York. I mean, can you even imagine how much money this would cost for you to have it? I don't know, and there is a QR code. We should definitely take a look at the art. I mean, this is the PFP, and come on, guys. This is just so artistic, but kind of artistically appealing. Sometimes the artists, they can go too far, at least for my taste, but this is definitely not it. Typing in, but look at this. I can just click anyone. What do you think, guys? I don't know. I mean, the detail, and I love it. They do have a website as well. So it is just the Senshi website and nothing special. They just have Twitter and Telegram. Just make sure to get on their Telegram. I don't know. Project number 2, Brew is, and they are obviously about just kind of coffee shops, breweries. Yeah, the art is looking pretty cool. I'm gonna touch on that one a bit later on in detail, and their Discord is open. So feel free to go there. It's a pretty nice place, and they do have a whole link tree. Some useful links, so website, Discord, Twitter, Medium, caller requests, artist, and founder. Okay, I do really appreciate when they're kind of humorous. And this is all animated. So each one of these NFTs is animated. I mean, you know that animated NFTs are kind of the thing now, ever since those Invisible Friends. So many projects are getting into it, and I don't know, I appreciate it. Now, this is the website. We can see the roadmap. Breweries are poured. Okay, nice. Giving back, so they will be giving back to the community, and even $40,000 of the mint proceeds towards help. Amazing. Brew with IRL companion. Okay, so there will be, I'm guessing, maybe a wild guess, but coffee breweries will happen. IRL. Okay, so there is so much, and I will leave a link down below so you can just check it out yourself if you're interested in this project. They have 16.9k people on their Discord, pretty good, and the minting in May. I mean, May is almost over, guys, just like 10 days or so, and the price for minting is 0.06 ETH. Do you love coffee? Well, if you do, this project is just gonna tickle your itch. Share your cup. So here, you can share your cup, maybe some muffins that go together with your cup, and there are many games to be played. And as always, whitelists could be earned through just playing games. And I will not get much more into the roadmap, sneak peeks we have seen. So yes, Discord is open, make sure to come check it out. So guys, two amazing projects, and one of them, I mean the New York one, I don't know, I'm just so crazy about it, and you should definitely do your own research, check it out, and may the odds be in your favor.